To set up PNC Mobile Banking, start by downloading the PNC Mobile Banking app from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Once the app is downloaded, open it and select the option to get started. If you are an existing PNC customer, you can log in with your online banking username and password. If you are a new customer, you will need to enroll in online banking first. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up a 4-digit passcode to securely access your account. Choose a passcode that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. You will also have the option to set up fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. Next, you will need to link your PNC accounts to the mobile banking app. You can do this by selecting the accounts you want to access and confirming the account information. You can link checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. Once your accounts are linked, you can start using the mobile banking app to check your balances, view transactions, and transfer money between accounts. You can also use the app to pay bills, deposit checks, and find PNC branches and ATMs near you. To pay bills, simply select the bill you want to pay. Enter the payment amount and date, and confirm the payment. To deposit checks, select the account you want to deposit into. Take a picture of the check, and confirm the deposit amount. For added security, make sure to keep your mobile device and app up to date, and use strong passwords and passcodes. Also, be aware of your surroundings when using the app in public, and avoid using public Wi-Fi to access your accounts. By following these steps, you can easily set up PNC Mobile Banking and start managing your accounts on the go. Remember to always keep your account information and passwords secure, and contact PNC customer support if you have any questions or need help with the setup process.